Mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Emmanuel Alejandre. Ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong April 15. And for today, ating pag-uusapan kung sapat ba ang iyong pagtitiwala sa Diyos? Or your faith, no? Is it enough? Is faith alone enough for glorifying God? Makikita natin ito sa Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1 na nagsasabing faith in action. Now, faith is confidence in what we hope for and assurance about what we do not see. Sa Tagalog, ang pananampalataya. Ngayon, ang pananampalataya ay ang katiyakan sa mga bagay na inaasahan. Ang paninindigan sa mga bagay na hindi nakikita. So, faith pertains to taking God at His Word. Ito po yung pagtitiwala at pananampalataya na lahat ng sinasabi at binabanggit na salita ng Panginoon ay totoo. For it is, no? Everything that God has spoken about is true. Every single syllable that comes out from His mouth, that He has messaged unto us, is in fact going to happen. Lahat po ng pangako ni Jesucristo ay kanyang tutuparin. Lahat ng propesiyang kanyang babanggit ay mangyayari. Therefore, kung tayo ay nagtitiwala sa Kanya, kung tayo ay nananampalataya, and when we have faith in His Word, it honors Him. It honors God. And kung tayo ay tunay na naniniwala at nananampalataya sa Panginoon, hindi lang paniniwala alone ang gagawin natin. Because faith leads to active obedience. Kapag naniniwala ka sa sinasabi ng Panginoon, then susundin mo yung kanyang utos. Dahil ito ay magpapalugod sa iyo, magpapalugod sa Panginoon. You are aware of that, no? When you have complete faith towards God, you have faith in His Word, you have faith in His commandments, you have faith in His gospel, you have faith in everything He holds dear. You have faith in His will. Therefore, lahat ng gagawin mo, lahat ng decision, lahat ng action that you take in life should be in accordance to His will. So, trust God even though you do not see the whole picture. Kahit hindi mo man alam yung kanyang step-by-step process ng kanyang plano, you should still trust Him and you should follow what He has in store for you. You have a purpose in life. Discover that purpose and do that purpose because that purpose has been given to you by God. And declare that God's promises over your doubts. Or rather, declare God's promises over your doubts. Huwag po nating hahayaan na yung doubts natin ang mananalo, ang mananaig sa ating puso. Atin pong tandaan na God is omnipotent. God is almighty. Wala pong tatalo sa Panginoon. Wala pong kayang tumalo sa Panginoon. And the only time that we will be saved is through Him. By His grace. Through Jesus Christ. So walk daily in obedience as a response to faith, no? Kung ikaw tunay na nagtitiwala, be obedient. Glorify God. Spread His Word. And disciple all nations. Yun lamang po ang aking daily devotion. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Pagpalain po tayong lahat and let us all give glory to God.